Hello, Peter checking in again. Day 28 of this meditation series. Will meditation help me control my mind? Yes, your mind can be a very, very powerful tool if you can focus it in the right way. And meditation helps you to focus your mind. It's like a practice. We covered that in the first few videos of this series, where you practice focusing your mind. It's like a workout for your mind, like exercise, a workout for your body. Meditation is a workout for your mind. So it will help you to control the mind, control that monkey mind that jumps everywhere, that just seems to be out of control. And I have mentioned this in a previous video, when I actually moved my thoughts down into my heart area. It was one of the strangest, bizarrest feelings I had at that point in my life. It was like, whoa, this is really strange. Having a clear head, an empty head was quite incredible. And you can learn to do that. And the good news is it doesn't take long to start to quieten the mind, but it takes practice. And that's why we call it a meditation practice or a Qigong practice. So you've got to keep practicing at it, and it gets better and better and better. And it empowers you to live the life that you want rather than the life that you get dragged along by. And it empowers you to change your body, change your mind. And it's all good stuff. So if you haven't tried it already, I've got a webinar with 5 meditation techniques on it. It's absolutely free. Just click the link below this video. Also, you can try a Qigong class. And if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified of each Qigong class coming up, and also each new video that I put up on this video channel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.